Hello and welcome to Sew with Christine. Here's a detailed tutorial on how to cut and sew this kaftan bubu dress with a tight waistline. This dress has an inner belt that helps you to achieve that tight waistline. So stay with me as we go through the cutting and the sewing process of this dress. So this is the fabric that I will be making use of, and I have 2.5 yards of this fabric here. The length of this fabric is 60 inches. Next, I'll go ahead and fold this fabric into 4. The width of this fabric after folding is 21.5 inches. These areas are on fold, they will serve as the center front and the center back, while this side here would serve as the sleeve opening. So from the top part, I'm going to come downward by 15 inches. This will serve as the opening for the sleeve, that is the width of the sleeve. Then from that point, I will go inward by 2 inches. Then I will rule a straight line inward like so. After which, I'm going to make a curve this way, and I will connect downward the 2 inches that I marked at the sleeve width. So just maintain these 2 inches downward to the hem area. After I'm done marking this, I'll go ahead and cut these marked areas out. Then I'm going to trim off this excess at the sleeve area. Once I'm done trimming off this excess, I'll go ahead and cut open these parts. Alright, I'll go ahead now and open this dress up like so. This part is the shoulder area. So on this shoulder area, I'm going to divide this by 2. I'll measure from one end of the sleeve to the other end, and I will divide whatever I have there by 2, and I'll go ahead and mark down my results here. So this is the center. I'm going to mark down the shoulder measurements, and the shoulder measurement for this dress is 14 inches. But I will add 1 inch to it so that it will have a slight drop. So that gives 15 inches. 15 inches divided by 2 is 7.5 inches. I will mark 7.5 inches on this side and 7.5 inches on the other side. Next, I'm going to come downward from the top part by 1 inch. We are going to be sewing on this area, and I'll also come downward by 1 inch here. I'll head over to my sewing machine now and make a 1 inch stitch away from the marked point. This is it, guys. I'm done stitching this up, and you can see what we have here. I'm going to take my tape now and measure from one point of the stitching area, that's where I started stitching from, to the other starting point of the stitching area, and what I have here is 15 inches. So you can see this part is not closed. This part will be the neck area and the shoulder area, while these other parts would serve as the sleeve area. I will go ahead now and fold this inward and begin to pin down. So these areas that I'm pinning are the areas that I'm going to run my stitches on. While I'm pinning, I pin them individually. So when you want to stitch yours, do not allow the stitching of one part affect the other side. You should stitch them individually. So once I'm done pinning this up, I'll go ahead now and run my stitches from one end to the other on both sides. So this is it. I've gone ahead to stitch this, and this is what it looks like. Like I said, stitch them individually. So you see they are standing on their own. And this is the sleeve part, this is the shoulder and the neck area. Next is for us to hem the sleeve opening. I'm going to fold this inward this way, and I will run my stitches on them, and I will go ahead and do the same thing on this part of the sleeve. I'm done stitching this up, and this is what they look like. So these parts will stay open this way, and this is the other area too. I'm done stitching that part up. Next is for us to close up the sides. I'm going to turn my fabric this way so you see what I'm doing, and I will place this like so. Once I'm done arranging this, I'll head over to my sewing machine and stitch from the arm like so down to the hem, and I'll do the same thing for the other parts. So guys, I'm done stitching this up, and you can see what we have here. I've also gone ahead to hem the base of this dress like so. The next thing that we'll be working on is the belt, and I have the length of this belt at 26 inches by 4 inches. Next, I'll fold this into two like so and run my stitches onto this, and here we are. This is the belt. I'm done stitching this up. So we are going to be fixing the belt onto the dress now. I'll go ahead and turn this dress to the wrong side so that we can fix our belt onto it. And when you want to fix this belt, you are going to fix the belt to the front part of the dress. So I've laid this out, and from the top part, I'm going to come downward by 14 inches. The waistline is 15 inches, but I went upward by 1 inch, so that gives 14 inches. I'll mark 14 inches here. Then on this area that I've marked 14 inches, I'm going to take the width of this area and I'll divide my results there by 2. So whatever I have, I'm going to mark here like so, and this will serve as the midpoint of this dress. Next, I'm going to divide the waist by 4. The waist measurement I'm using is 25 inches. 25 inches divided by 4 is 6.25 inches. So on this side, I'll mark 6.25 inches, and on the other side, I'll also mark 6.25 inches. Then I'm going to bring in the belt, one of the belts. I'll fold the tip in like this and place it onto that area that I marked. That's one of the areas there, and I will pin down. Note that when you want to pin this down, you are going to pin this onto the front parts alone. See the way I lifted this up before pinning. I'm going to bring in the other belt too, and I'm going to pin. Do not pin to the back area, or else this clothes will be closed up and you won't be able to wear it at all. So after I'm done pinning this, I'll head over to the sewing machine and stitch this area up to secure the belt in place. And here we are guys, I am done stitching this up, and you can see what the belt looks like. We are almost done with this. The next thing is for us to close up the armhole a little. So I will turn this now to the right side, and from the top part here, I'll come down by 9 inches. Go up by 1 inch from your bust point line. The bust point line is 10 inches, so I went up by 1, that is 9 inches. So from the end of the sleeve, I'm going to come inward by 8 inches. Then from there, I'll come downward by 3 inches. I'll just rule a straight line of 3 inches. So I'll be making my stitches on that straight line. To this side as well, from the shoulder there, I'm going to come downward by 9 inches. Then from the end of this sleeve, I will measure inward 8 inches. So from that 8 inches mark now, I will go downward by 3 inches. So I'll rule a straight line, and it's on this straight line I will make my stitches. We are done with this. I've gone ahead to make my stitches onto these marked areas, and you can see when you lift your arm, you will be comfortable because your inner clothing will not be visible like so. And this is the neck area, you can see, and we also have the sleeve opening at the sides. So this is just how to make this dress. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.